You can choose from the wide variety of wood furniture available in your local craft store or online store. Similarly, there are several wooden decorative pieces you can purchase. But what we encourage people to do is make their own furniture and decorative pieces. If you have the skill and tools, why don't you get to work and create a marvelous piece of furniture or wooden decorative piece? Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. You may even select a wood of your choice and get a furniture piece custom made from them. The information shared here can be used as a guide for choosing wood for different furniture items in your home. Ornamental pieces of furniture and show pieces are best made with mulberry wood. Even though it looks delicate, this wood is quite tough. It also boasts of elasticity, which makes it easy to carve and create beautiful pieces of furniture such as drawers and cabinets. Things prepared using mulberry wood are known for their fine finish and artistic look. Deodar is loved mainly because it is robust and durable. It is considered to be one of the best woods for furniture. The fine quality close-grained wood is rot and water resistant and can be used to make different things. It is known to absorb color effortlessly and render a polished look. This makes it ideal for making ornamental furniture. Owing to its strength, this wood is also ideal for creating heavy furniture pieces. Jackwood is known for its even-grained look that offers it a fine finish. This wood is easy to carve and it used to make furniture as well as various other things. Jackwood is especially a good choice for creating musical instruments. White cedar wood is comparatively lighter than others. It is soft and has a uniform texture. It is largely used to prepare furniture items such as cabinets, shoe racks and chests. Many other kinds of small wooden furniture items are also prepared using white cedar. Douglas fir is used to make different kinds of furniture pieces. The wood is hard and is thus known for crafting robust pieces of furniture. It is resistant to rots and insects. Thus, the things made with Douglas fir are durable and reliable. If you are looking for an economical yet reliable option, then birch can be a good choice for you. You will be able to lay hands at different varieties of birch wood, including yellow birch, black birch and white birch. It is tightly grained and renders a uniform appeal. It is used to prepare different types of furniture items, toys as well as flooring. Sisal wood renders a good finish and is known for its strength and durability. The wood is easy to mold and can thus be shaped into different types of furniture pieces and decorative items. Easy to polish, this wood can be used to create furniture in different colors. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.